Hello everyone, my name is Jerry and I am a project manager with Advantech. Today I would like to introduce our DMS service for factory automation and railway applications. Advantech DMS team was formed to provide professional customization service for industry computing systems. In response to the demands of Industry 4.0 technologies, our team provides a wide range of industry computing solutions for the needs of Industry 4.0. Besides, our transportation embedded systems are reliable solutions for railway applications. Our design expertise is based on in-depth understanding of railway applications, so our DMS team can provide customization service that perfectly fit your needs. Our industrial computing solutions include automation motherboards and I/O modules, high-performance fabless computers with EtherCAT support, and applied panel PC that come in different sizes. We offer a broad range of general and domain-focused HMI products with an IP65 rated housing design, including anti-correlation stainless housings. We also offer spatial design for spatial I/O connectors, such as the M12 connector. We work closely with our customers and partners to help develop hardware solutions and their applications. We are the hardware partner to bring your AI project to life. This includes systems for applications such as automatic inspection, facial recognition. For automatic inspection, we offer high-resolution cameras and complete systems that can perform a range of automatic inspection tasks in real time, ensuring production efficiency and accuracy. Our automatic inspection systems can make sure products are oriented correctly, and they can also identify defect products and manufacturing errors to save your time and money. We offer an easy-to-deploy deep learning system for machine vision application, with modularized solutions that make feature expansion simple. This compact edge computing system is particularly suitable for areas where space is limited. We also provide a solution with high GPU computing power for vision guidance. When installed with NVIDIA Tesla P4 module, our system can also be realized as a deep learning engine for smart factories. This can help coordinate machinery to dynamically distribute workloads via various parameters that would otherwise require human assessments, such as color, size, and weight. Our extensive design capabilities can be leveraged to accommodate virtually any customer needs. This includes anything from Ethernet controllers with EtherCAT protocols for industrial communication to anti-sulfur resistors. We also have enhanced anti-noise design and electrostatic discharge protection at 15 kV, as well as electrical fast transient protection at 2 kV on all function ports. All of these considerations make our products perfect for use in harsh environment. To accommodate powerful graphic cards like the NVIDIA Tesla P4 and T4 modules, we take great care in the thermal designs of our products. Additionally, our box PC design have 100% solid capacitor for greater reliability compared to those that use normal capacitors. Our designs offer superior heat dissipation for high-power GPU in compact systems. This makes our products rugged and perfect for use in extremely harsh environments, such as in industrial robotics in automotive factories. Our human-machine interface can be designed for standalone terminals and more complex applications. In factories, our HMI can be used for machine and process control as well as for connecting machines and sensors. They can transmit data to the cloud or to enterprise systems so that data from multiple machines can be collected for more centralized monitoring and control over plant operations. On the factory floor, our HMI give operators easy access to valuable data, enabling them to optimize operational efficiency, such as by reallocating staff to compensate for slow production in key areas or fine-tuning machine settings to correct performance issues. All four lines of HMI have IP66 certified LCD front panel ranging from 6.5 to 32 inches. They are the ideal choice for demanding HMI applications, include factory, building, and home automations. Other key reasons for choosing our HMI include product longevity support, rocket enclosure design, and a variety of mounting operations, and special coatings such as anti-glare coatings. When installed with NVIDIA GTX series GPU modules, our computing system can be utilized as a 3D vision system with AR capability. This makes them suitable for deployment in fashion stores in such applications as virtual fitting rooms, which allows customers to see how they will look within seconds. They can also restore or transfer information between a customer's cell phone. Automatic guide vehicles offers one of the strongest opportunities for growth in factory automation. More than 4 million of these machines are projected to be used in warehouse by 2025. However, the robotic revolution won't happen without human help. Building an automatic guide vehicles requires expertise in AI, machine vision, and robotics. Developing such expertise can take a large investment in both time and money, so we can offer a customized solution to save your time and money. We develop passenger information systems that can be utilized to provide real-time information and advertisements inside rolling stock, including timetables, emergency notice, and commercials. We can also help with network video recorders with large storage and stable connection to cameras in order to enhance chain security and safety. Another option is driver-machine interface, giving multiple-purpose control especially for use in real environments. These units have a robust design and provide a touch display with a non-reflective glass surface. Some of the main requests we fulfill for computers in railway systems include a robust design, shock vibrations resistance, wide range power voltage tolerance, waterproofing, wide range operating temperatures, wireless communication modules, reliable touch LCD screen, and function expansion capabilities. In today's increasingly connected world, real companies need to differentiate by making their service more attractive to passengers. Our team offers reliable and future-proof passenger information systems solutions that can keep passengers informed as conveniently as possible. real-time passengers information and advertising can be displayed via LCD monitors, and emergency announcements can be broadcast via audio speakers. The IP cameras can also be leveraged to enhance train security and safety. We offer transportation management systems that connect to IP cameras for surveillance applications, providing real-time video monitoring to ensure passenger safety. They can also be installed with GPS or 3G modules to provide train control systems for data collection. This allows controller centers to monitor real-time surveillance information and instantly broadcast messages to the passenger information system. Moreover, our railway solution is ready to meet your future needs. For railway equipment, our driver-machine interface acts as a bridge between the train driver and onboard automatic train control system. To meet higher safety requirements, our system comes with EN 50155 certification, a robust design with an aluminum die-cast barrel, shock and vibration enhancement, especially for rail applications, conformal coating for long-term reliability, and IP65 rating for protection from water and dust on the front panel. The common questions we hear are why customers use our DMS service and what our service targets are in automation and transportation. The simple answer is experience. We have been delivering automation and transportation products for years. We target factory automation-related products and those used in production automation and robotics. We can help customers achieve high-scale volume production goals and raise market competition. Besides, we also providing reliable railway solutions, and this appearance with diverse transportation applications, from stations to cabinets. Our DMS service can provide customized service that perfectly fit your needs.